Alright, I got the parts we needed from Magic Racing. Never heard of them before, but figured we'd give them a shot. Got the new steering arm, fitment arm, and the screws. So I'll take off these 3D printed parts I have on here that it didn't seem to make a difference. Place them all with those, and we'll see where we get. Okay, once again we got the Magic Racing parts. I fitted them to the Racent vehicle here. And they screwed together quite nicely. Just need to get it all together now and take out the garage, both of them again. Do a side by side and see if we've improved any. So I'm really ready to get on to the next part. So we'll see what we can do. Same test as before, same line. Back tires. Hard left. Go. Look back. Same test on our deadbolt. Okay, not quite as bad. Do the hard left test now. Hard right this time. Beautiful. Hard right. Better at least. I'm going to check the steering dual rate. See if that makes a difference. Sorry, turn all the way up. It's closer than it was before. Still not perfect. So far I've turned this dual rate all the way up. That's off here. Use a longer horn. Replace the front steering linkage and pitman arm with one that was designed for the SCX24. That's basically what this is. So it's not a total success, but I think it's good enough. Continue on with my experiments. Future experiments are going to be for this vehicle.